Number 8. The cheetah. Small but mighty, this cat is the undisputed sprinter of the natural world. Found across the open savannas and grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa, the cheetah isn't just fast, it's a living blueprint of speed itself. Every part of its anatomy has evolved for one purpose: acceleration. With a flexible spine that bends and coils like a spring, its stride can stretch up to 25 feet in a single bound. Its legs are long and lightweight, its chest deep to hold large lungs and a powerful heart, and its semi-retractable claws act like running spikes, gripping the earth with every explosive step. Gripping the earth with every explosive step. From a standstill, the cheetah can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, faster than most sports cars. During the chase, its long tail whips side to side, acting as a counterbalance that helps it make split-second turns while pursuing agile prey like gazelles or impalas. Its black tear marks reduce glare and enhance focus, like natural racing stripes designed for high-speed vision. But there's a catch. All that speed burns energy fast. After a 20-second sprint, the cheetah must rest, panting furiously as its body overheats. It's a creature of bursts, not endurance. Yet, in those fleeting seconds, it becomes nature's purest expression of motion. And perhaps the most remarkable thing? Despite its power, the cheetah is gentle toward its young and relies on stealth and patience as much as speed. It reminds us that even the fastest hunter must wait for the perfect moment to strike. It may not look dangerous, but underestimate it, and you'll regret it. Moving from the forest to the oceans, our next creature proves that speed doesn't belong only to the land. Meet the sailfish, the ocean's undisputed speed champion. Sleek, metallic blue, and built like a living torpedo, the sailfish slices through tropical and subtropical seas around the world. Everything about its design screams efficiency. A long, slender body reduces drag, a sharp spear-like bill cuts through water resistance, and its enormous dorsal fin, the signature sail, can fold flat when it's time to sprint. When fully extended, that sail acts like a brake or rudder, helping the fish pivot with impossible precision. Clocked at an astonishing 68 miles per hour, the sailfish can outrun nearly anything underwater. It uses its speed and bursts to chase down schools of sardines or mackerel, often working in groups. Together, they herd their prey into tight, shimmering balls, then take turns darting in to strike. Each slash of its bill can stun or injure multiple fish in a single motion, like a swordsman moving faster than the eye can see. What makes it even more fascinating is its ability to change color. During the hunt, its skin flashes vibrant blues and silvers as pigment cells react to adrenaline, possibly helping it signal teammates or confuse prey. Some divers swear they've seen sailfish vanish underwater, a trick of light caused by their reflective scales scattering sunlight in all directions. To this day, scientists still debate how such a large creature can move through dense water with so little resistance. Its secret lies in an almost perfect balance of muscle power and hydrodynamics, the ultimate fusion of biology and physics. Scientists still can't explain how it manages to disappear mid-strike, nature's secret weapon in plain sight. At number 6, meet the peregrine falcon, the fastest living creature ever recorded and nature's ultimate aerial assassin. Found on every continent except Antarctica, the peregrine falcon rules the skies above cliffs, cities, and coastlines alike. Sleek, muscular, and perfectly aerodynamic, this bird can dive from the heavens at speeds exceeding 240 miles per hour, faster than a Formula One race car and nearly 3 times the speed of a cheetah. During its iconic hunting maneuver, called a stoop, the falcon climbs high into the sky, spots a target far below, often a pigeon or duck, then tucks in its wings and drops like a missile. In seconds, it becomes a blur slicing through the atmosphere, guided by eyesight 8 times sharper than a human's. When it strikes, it doesn't grab, it punches. The impact alone can knock its prey unconscious midair before it even realizes what hit it. But how does it survive such tremendous speed? The peregrine's nostrils have tiny bony cones that regulate air pressure, preventing its lungs from bursting during dives. Its feathers lock tightly to reduce drag, while strong chest muscles keep it stable through violent acceleration. Even its dark facial markings serve a purpose, reducing glare from sunlight, like built-in aviator sunglasses. Yet the peregrine's story isn't just about power. It's also one of resilience. Once nearly wiped out by pesticides like DDT, the species made a legendary comeback through conservation efforts, even thriving today on skyscrapers and bridges, turning cities into modern-day cliffs. Imagine seeing this in real life, a blur dropping from the clouds, striking like lightning. It's as if nature created a living, breathing fighter jet. Deep in the shimmering blue of tropical oceans, an apex sprinter lurks, the black marlin, one of the sea's most powerful and elusive speedsters. Found across the Indian and Pacific Oceans, the black marlin is a marvel of aquatic engineering. With a body built for raw power and precision, it can reach speeds of up to 82 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest fish ever recorded. Its sleek, torpedo-shaped form minimizes drag, while its rigid pectoral fins lock in place to slice through the water like a blade. At the front, its long, sharp bill reduces turbulence, and when needed, becomes a lethal weapon for stunning prey. When hunting, the black marlin doesn't chase aimlessly. It uses short, explosive bursts of speed to ambush schools of tuna, mackerel, or squid. With a single swing of its bill, it can injure several targets, circling back to devour them in a controlled frenzy. Scientists believe its muscles contain specialized fibers that release energy instantly, giving it the ability to accelerate faster than almost any other fish. Fishermen who have battled one describe it as a rocket with fins. Once hooked, a marlin can leap 20 feet into the air, thrashing its sword-like bill with terrifying power. In those moments, it's not just a fish, it's a force of nature. Despite its might, the black marlin remains a mystery. Few have ever seen it in full sprint, and even fewer have captured it on film. Its speed and strength make it a living phantom of the deep. It's proof that the wild still holds secrets we've barely begun to understand, a reminder that in the ocean, the line between beauty and power is razor thin. Halfway through our list, and things are only getting more extreme. High above the mountains soars the golden eagle, a symbol of majesty, power, and deadly precision. Ranging across North America, Europe, and Asia, the golden eagle is one of the largest and most formidable birds of prey on Earth. With a wingspan stretching up to 7.5 feet, it's built for both speed and strength. In level flight, it can cruise at 50 miles per hour, but when it folds its massive wings and dives toward prey, it reaches 150 miles per hour. Its flight is not just about speed, it's about control. Golden eagles use subtle adjustments in their wing feathers to glide silently, circling high above open terrain before plunging down with pinpoint accuracy. They often hunt rabbits, foxes, and even young deer, striking with talons that can exert more than 400 pounds of pressure per square inch, strong enough to crush bone on impact. What truly sets the golden eagle apart is its vision. Its eyes contain millions of light-sensitive cells, allowing it to spot movement from over 2 miles away. To the eagle, the world below is like a living map. Every twitch of a hair, every flicker of a shadow, instantly detected and analyzed. For centuries, humans have admired and feared this raptor. From ancient Mongolian falconers to modern conservationists, it's been both a hunting partner and a sacred symbol of freedom and dominance. That's like a human lifting a car, then flying away with it, nature's perfect fusion of strength and speed. It's nature's perfect example of power through precision. Proof that even at 10,000 feet, the laws of speed still reign supreme. From land to sea again, this next predator doesn't just swim fast, it rules the deep. Meet the short-fin mako shark, the ocean's version of a fighter jet. Found in temperate and tropical waters worldwide, the short-fin mako is sleek, muscular, and built for one thing. Measuring up to 12 feet long and weighing nearly 1,000 pounds, it's still capable of reaching 45 miles per hour, an astonishing feat for a creature moving through dense water. Divers often describe it as a flash of steel and silver, appearing from nowhere, striking with surgical precision, and vanishing into the blue. The mako's body is a masterpiece of hydrodynamic design. Its torpedo shape reduces drag, and its crescent-shaped tail fin channels immense power with every stroke. But the true secret lies within. It's one of the few warm-blooded sharks, meaning it can regulate its body temperature. This allows its muscles and brain to function at peak performance, even in cold water, giving it unmatched reaction time and endurance. When it hunts, the mako doesn't lurk, it pursues. It targets fast prey, like tuna and swordfish, chasing them down in bursts of acceleration that few marine animals can match. Some have been recorded leaping more than 20 feet out of the water, twisting midair in breathtaking displays of raw athleticism. Despite its fierce reputation, the short-fin mako is a victim of its own perfection. Overfishing has dramatically reduced its numbers, and today it's considered endangered. But in its prime, it remains one of nature's finest athletes, the ultimate blend of power, intelligence, and precision. Its legend has inspired fear for centuries, and for good reason. The mako isn't just a shark, it's the ocean's living missile. Number 2 might surprise you. It's not a killer, but it's definitely one of the most extraordinary speedsters on the planet. Meet the pronghorn antelope, North America's quiet champion of endurance and velocity. At first glance, the pronghorn looks delicate, slender legs, soft tan fur, and those distinctive forked horns. But beneath that graceful exterior lies an engine built for performance. Capable of reaching 55 miles per hour and maintaining high speeds for miles, the pronghorn isn't just fast, it's a marathon sprinter, combining stamina and speed in a way that no other land mammal can. Evolution gifted the pronghorn this ability not for show, but for survival. Millions of years ago, North America was home to cheetah-like predators that could sprint with terrifying bursts. Those predators are long extinct, but the pronghorn's speed remains, a biological echo of an ancient arms race. Its oversized lungs and heart deliver oxygen with incredible efficiency, while its lightweight bones and springy tendons reduce fatigue. Out. Even its fur helps. Hollow hair traps air for insulation, keeping its muscles warm during long-distance chases. Unlike the cheetah, which must rest after seconds of exertion, the pronghorn can cruise at highway speeds across open plains for several minutes, leaving coyotes, wolves, and any modern predator far behind. It's a creature that outran its enemies and never slowed down. Yet, despite its athleticism, the pronghorn is a gentle herbivore, feeding on shrubs and grasses under the wide prairie sky. It's proof that raw power isn't always about aggression. Sometimes it's about freedom and endurance. This creature shows that speed isn't everything. It's endurance that wins the race. The pronghorn reminds us that in the wild, the greatest survivors aren't just fast. They're relentless. And finally, number 1. At first glance, this small brown bat, weighing less than a golf ball, looks unassuming. But don't be fooled. It's the fastest animal on Earth in level flight. Unlike the peregrine falcon, which relies on gravity to dive, the Brazilian free-tailed bat can sustain speeds of 100 miles per hour under its own power. Found across the Americas, Especially in the southern United States, millions of these bats emerge each night from caves like a living storm cloud. Their long, narrow wings and aerodynamic tails allow them to slice through the night air with astonishing agility. Inside their small frames are chest muscles that make up nearly a quarter of their total body weight, pure power for non-stop wing beats. Using echolocation, they emit high-frequency sounds and read the echoes bouncing off insects mid-flight. Even while traveling at highway speeds, they can detect, pursue, and capture a single moth in total darkness, a precision feat no human machine can replicate. Scientists using military-grade radar confirmed these bats were breaking the airspeed records once thought to belong only to birds. Perhaps most remarkable of all, their flight is nearly silent. No roar, no splash, no wing-beat thunder, just speed, perfected over millions of years of evolution. It's a reminder that nature's most incredible athletes aren't always the biggest or loudest. They're the ones perfectly built for survival. The Brazilian free-tailed bat doesn't just fly fast. It redefines what it means to move. So which of these speedsters blew your mind the most? The cheetah's sprint, the falcon's dive, or the bat's record-breaking flight? Tell me in the comments below. And if you love learning about the wild side of nature, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new adventure. Next time, we'll explore the world of animals with real-life superpowers. From electric shocks to invisibility cloaks. You won't believe number 3. This is Wild Classroom, where every creature tells a story.